We can also scan the slope of MA. Slope means whether the moving average is rising or falling. We can scan up to 3 moving averages. Moving average can be SMA, EMA, WMA. Moving average may be plotted on close points, high points, low points or open points. This is option for whether the moving average is rising or falling. And this from maximum, minimum or exact. We will discuss this later on. And also change the parameters, like from how many bars. Here we are searching from minimum 5 bars. Minimum rising from 20 bars, it may be rising from 7 bars, it may be rising from 5 bars. So minimum 5 bars is there, as you can see. Okay. Like this one. Maximum means it must be rising from maximum 5 bar. It may be rising from yesterday, I mean the last bar or 2. So it is useful when we want to say when the moving average just turn its direction. Like in this chart, it is started rising since yesterday only. In this also. The next option is exact 5 days. So here we can find where the stock moving average of stock has started rising from exactly 5 days. It has started rising with the big green bar. Here also. The slope became more useful if we scan for more than one moving average, like this. You can change the parameter from maximum 5 bars, or say 3 bars for the shorter moving average. From more than 10 days, and minimum 10 days. And the shortest one, that is 10 moving average, started rising again. So it's a kind of that moving stock is an uptrend. It has gone through some consolidation. Now it started rising again.